How to configure proxy settings in Mozilla Firefox using 4G proxies. Just open the website www.4gnet online. Then click on the Login button. Enter your login details, then click on the Login button. Then click on your active proxies. Copy the proxy information. Let's apply it on the Mozilla Firefox. Just click on the three lines icon at the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, just click Options. Scroll down and find the Network Settings. Click on the Settings button. Then tick the Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the HTTP proxy and port and tick this box. Then click OK button. Let's check it on the ipqualityscore.com. When you open any site, it will ask for username and password. Enter username and password, then click OK button. Check it 100% working and the fraud score is 0. So go 4G net, buy and enjoy the fraud-free and 100 accurate services.